didn't.
Yes, I did.
There's a big old poop right here.
What?
How'd you miss that?
Mickey just pooped.
Mickey just pooped.
There's no way.
He just did. That was not there.
Oh my god. Kurt, why are you touching it?
Ew.
Get that.
Ew! What? Kurt, put it down. Why is he touching it?
Because it looks funny.
Oh!
What does it taste like?
Come here. Look at this. This is something wrong with this.
Kurt, that is sick.
No.
Does it smell? It doesn't really smell like.
Bill?
Don't.
No, don't. Bill,
Wait,
wait,
no, no.
What did you eat? What did you eat?
Dude, are you...
Put it down.
That is disgusting.
Actually, it's not so bad.
He's holding it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's holding it. That's Bill. You eating it?
Can you please get the poop out of the house? Wait, did you put
It's
the
in my
poop?
hand. It's not going
We
anywhere.
ate it. And Dad did too.
Look at this.
Get that
It's
away
not
from me.
bad.
Let me see. Let me smell.
Smell it.
Dad
Well,
did.
actually, wait a minute.
Taste it.
I
It's
am
not bad. I'm really surprised.
Oh my god! You guys have sick parents. And I have a sick husband. She's gonna throw up.
Taste
Look at
it.
her. She's gonna throw up.
Taste it.
No. It's that. You eat that. No.
Taste
no.
it.
I think she's gonna
No.
throw up.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Taste
no.
it.
Your brother cleaned up the poop and missed one.
No.
There's something really weird
Is
about
that even poop?
There's some crunchy stuff in there. I don't know what she ate. I think she might have
Did she eat Rice Krispies?
Yes! She did.
You can see
Jack
the
ate
face.
his Rice
Disgusting.
Krispies earlier. Ew!
Taste it.
You ate who?
It's dog gross. Is there a hair sticking out of it?
Taste it.
No.
Taste it.
No.
Taste it.
Oh.
Get that away from me.
Come on, George.
Oh no.
Come on.
Oh no. I had my taste. I'm done.
No.
Come on.
No.
Tell me what it tastes like. Seriously, come on. Try it. Live life on the edge.
No.
Taste it.
Alex,
Smell it.
No.
Smell it. Taste it.
Stop poop.
Taste it. Taste it. You want it? Come on, taste it.
No.
Taste it.
No.
Come on.
Get that away from me.
Come on.
Come on, taste it. Come here. Taste it.
Come on. Come on. You want it? He ate it. He's got. It's gone. He's got it. I don't have it.
One, two, three.
April Fools!
It was chocolate.
Is it yummy? Good poop.
Did we get you? Did we get you?
Best poop ever.